Welcome, dear student. Myself, V.D. Wankhede, Assistant Teacher of Savitribai Phule Madhyamik Shala Bhavanagar Nanded. And in today's syllabus, we are going to see about Situ Abhyasakram Mathematics Class 8 and day 30, 32 and 33. Combined syllabus of these 2 days for semi students. Let's see. Area mensuration, unit perimeter and area, subunit area of rectangle and square, and day 22nd and 33rd. Concept corner here. Today's concept corner. If we want to paint a regular wall of the house or put rectangular shape tiles on the ground, we have to calculate the area of the wall and area of the particular floor to see how many colors or how many tiles will be needed in both the cases. If you want to paint a rectangular wall of the house, you have to calculate the area of the wall of the particular wall, and if we want to put rectangular shaped tiles on the ground or on the room of that particular, you have also calculate the area of the floor to see how many colors or how many tiles will be needed in both the cases. Dear student, we find the area of closed figure is to find out how many square unit space occupies that figure. Means म्हणजे त्या जागेने किती जागा व्यापलेली आहे त्या पर्टिक्युलर फ्रेम म्हणा किंवा टाईल्स म्हणा किंवा जे काही वस्तू असेल त्या जागेने त्या वस्तूने व्यापलेली जागा म्हणजेच ते काय झालं त्या ठिकाणचं एरिया झाला. टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ क्लोज्ड फिगर इज टू फाइंड आउट हाऊ मेनी स्क्वेअर युनिट space occupies that figure. This is the concept. Now take a square book and draw rectangles and squares on it as follows, and write how many square unit of space occupied by rectangles and squares. See in first figure, dear student, the rectangle is 4 unit long and 2 unit wide and has 8 square. पहिल्या फिगरमध्ये बघा 4 युनिट लॉंग म्हणजे लांबीला 4 युनिट आहेत आणि रुंदीला 2 युनिट आहेत, अँड एकूण इट हॅज 8 स्क्वेअर, एकूण 8 स्क्वेअर आहेत. So the area of the rectangle is 8 square. Therefore, the area of the rectangle figure or rectangle only is 8 square, because there are 8 square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 square. Therefore, the area of rectangle is 8 square. Now here, what is the area of this square? Here the square has 3 unit long and 3 unit wide. It has 9 square. Therefore, the area of this square is 9. See here. What is the area of this square? 3 by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal to 9. 3 unit is long and 3 unit is wide. Therefore, area of this square is 9. because it has 9 unit. It has 9 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, the area of the square is 9. Now, I know that first area of rectangle equal to length into width square unit, and secondly, I know that area of square equal to side by side equal to side square in square unit. It may be centimeter or meter, inch, etc. Practice corner here. Observe the solved example. If length of photo frame is 35 cm and width is 20 cm, then how much space will that photo frame occupy on the wall? ज्या फोटोची लांबी 35 आहे आणि रुंदी 20 सेंटीमीटर आहे, तर अशी फ्रेम भिंतीवर ठेवण्यासाठी किंवा लटकवण्यासाठी किती जागा लागेल, किंवा ती फ्रेम त्या भिंतीवरची किती जागा व्यापेल, ऑक्युपाय करेल. Therefore, we want to find out the area of rectangle because the shape of frame is rectangle. Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to length into width. Length is 35 cm and width is equal to 20 cm. Therefore, the area of rectangle equal to 7000 square centimeter. Next, let's solve. Here first problem is the area of rectangle is 162 square centimeter, 162 square centimeter. If its length is 18 cm, and what is the width of the rectangle? आपल्याला आयताचे क्षेत्रफळ काढायचे, एरिया ऑफ रेक्टँगल काढायचं आहे. दिलेला आहे एरिया ऑफ रेक्टँगल दिलेला आहे 162 स्क्वेअर cm सेंटीमीटर, चौरस सेंटीमीटर. इफ इट्स लेंथ इज 18, त्याची लांबी आपल्याला दिलेली आहे 18 cm, 18 cm. अँड व्हॉट इज द विड्थ ऑफ दॅट रेक्टँगल, त्याची आपल्याला रुंदी काढायची आहे. देअरफॉर एरिया इक्वल टू L इंटू B. हिअर एरिया इक्वल टू 18 इंटू B. 18 काय लेंथ आहे, म्हणून आपण हिअर पुटिंग द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ L. Therefore, A equal to 18 into B. B means width. Therefore, 162 equal to 18 into B. Therefore, B equal to 162 by 18 equal to 9. Therefore, final answer width is 9 cm. Final answer is width is equal to 9 cm. Second, if the side of the length of square is doubled, how many times its area will be equal to area of the original square? If the length is double, then its original area also double. This is the today's example or problems. अशा प्रकारे मित्रांनो या ठिकाणी आजचा हा सिलेबस सेतू अभ्यासक्रम संपलेला आहे. परत भेटूया उद्याच्या सिलेबसमध्ये, उद्याच्या अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये. तोपर्यंत हा दिलेला पूर्ण सराव तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये उतरून घ्या, सोडवा. परत भेटूया उद्याच्या सत्रामध्ये. आणि आत्तापर्यंत जर माझं हे चॅनल तुम्ही सबस्क्राईब केलेलं नसेल तर जरूर करा, तुमच्या मित्रांना सांगा. तर भेटूया उद्याच्या सत्रात. धन्यवाद.